أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Do a revision session for the lesson 4B for understand Al-Quran the easy way, part 1 Salah. So going forward to the next slide. Yeah, in this lesson we are gonna just do the feminine sigha, hiya, ha, muslimah, muslimat, the singular and the plural also. Yeah, the technique which we are using in it is like TPI, the total physical interaction, as we all know about it. So how do we go about TPI is like we hear it, we use all our senses, like we hear it, we see it, we think about it, we say it so many times so that it gets like synchronized in our brain, then we show it, then we love it, and we all do it together. Next slide. So then again we go about the pronoun tables. Okay, let me do it first time, and then any one of you can repeat it. So how do we do it? Huwa means he, singular. Okay, whom, they, singular. Anta, you. Ana, me. Antum, you all. Anahnu, us. So any one of you, any one of the participants wants to volunteer for this table? Hello. Yeah, anyone can volunteer?
Yes.
Yeah, please go ahead, sister.
Yes. Huwa, he, whom, they. Anta, you. Ana, I. Antum, you are. Nahnu, we.
MashaAllah. Have you just pointed your fingers? Like you use TPI for the table? Okay, let's move forward. Okay, as we all know that there are three types of words in Arabic. One is noun, which shows the name and the attribute. The other one is verb, which shows us or tells us about an action. And then there is particle, which joins the noun and the verbs
No.
together. Okay, next slide. Next slide is okay. What we will do is we will convert the nouns into plural forms. Okay, the singular nouns into plural form. Let me do the table first, and then any one of you can volunteer for the same. Yeah. So Muslim, there is a short technique for converting the singular into plural. It's like if it is the word is Muslim, we will just add waw noon or ya noon to make it the plural form. Okay, so like for Muslim it will be Muslimun, Muslimin. Same goes for Mu'min, so it will be Mu'minun, Mu'minin. Okay, waw noon or ya noon we can add. If it is Mu'minun with double pesh, we will add waw noon, and if it is with double zair or double zabar, then we will add ya noon. Then same goes for Salih, it will be Salihun and Salihin. Kafirun, Kafirun, and Kafirin, Kafirun, Kafirin. Okay, waw noon or ya noon will make the noun as a plural noun. Okay, Mushrik, so it will be converted to Mushrikun or Mushrikeen accordingly. If it is with double pesh, Mushrikun, then we will add waw noon, so it becomes Mushrikun. Or if it was with double zair or double zabar, then it will be Mushrikeen. So any one of you who wants to volunteer, can I say the names? Yeah, Sister Sami, Hanatu Sami. You want to repeat the table? Yeah,
Please.
sister, you can.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa
Okay.
alaikum assalam wa
Muslim,
rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Muslimun,
Yeah,
Muslimin,
yeah.
Mu'min, Mu'minun, Mu'minin, Salih, Salihun, Salihin,
Yeah.
Kafir, Kafirun, Kafirin, Mushrik, Mushrikun, Mushrikin.
Perfect. Subhanallah, mashallah. Thank you, Sister Jazakallah. We'll go to the next slide now. Okay, these are extended pronouns. Okay, so we'll just do the table fast. Who for is used for his, male. So we'll point with one finger. This is a third person. This is a singular male. Okay, then
Right.
theirs. Hello? Yeah, there for whom is there. So we used all the 4 fingers, okay? Ka is you, your, ya, ye is me, my, kum is your, all of you, and na is ours, okay? So anyone wants to revise the table? This one, the extended pronouns? Okay, I'll check. Any volunteer for this slide? Yeah,
Yes.
Miss Sister Memunat Ilyas Harun. Yeah, please go ahead.
Who, his, whom, there, ka, your,
Yeah,
ye, kum, your, na, our.
perfect. The only difference is ka and kum will be ka is for singular you, yours, and kum is for your all, okay? For plural. Thank you, Jazakallah, sister. Next slide, please. Yeah. Next is how we combine nouns with pronouns. So we have a table here. We join rob, the word rob, with who, whom, ka, ki, ye, kum, na. So it becomes robbuhu, his rob. Robbuhum, their rob. Robbuka, your rob. Robbi, my rob. I think someone is unmuted and the voice is disturbing. Okay. Robbuhu, his rob. Robbuhim, their rob. Robbuka, your rob. Robbi, my rob. Robbukum, your all rob. Robbuna, our rob. Okay. Anyone wants to revise this table? I will. Okay. So it's, I will give chance to this sister, I think, Shanza. Please, Sister Shanza. Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Walaikum assalam.
Rabbuhu, his Rab, Rabbuhum, their Rab, Rabbuka, your Rab, Rabbi, my Rab, Rabbukum, your Rab, Rabbana, our Rab.
Perfect, mashallah. But sister, it's not Rabbana, it's Rabbuna.
Rabbuna.
Rabbana. Rabbana, you know, is for a different meaning. Okay? Jazakallah, sister.
Okay.
Now we go to the next slide. Okay. Okay. We have already discussed about the male siga, the masculine siga so many times. So we'll do the feminine part in these revision slides, right? So masculine for masculine pronoun for the third person, he is huwa, right? And we use this right hand and one finger to point towards to point for huwa. Okay. Then if we convert this huwa to feminine siga, it will be hiya, and we will use the opposite hand, like the left hand and one finger pointing towards the left. Okay, so it will be she, hiya, huwa he, and hiya she. So anyone wants to revise this? Okay, who's there? Third one is okay. I'll want this person, Miss Augustine Lahai, to just revise this one. Yeah. Can you please repeat this? Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you go ahead with the slide?
Naam, huwa, he. Here, she.
Jazakallah, brother. Moving on to the third slide, next slide. Okay. So we have another table for masculine and feminine forms of noun. Okay. So there was a technique to convert the singular into plural, which we have just read now. Like we convert the singular noun or to plural by adding waw noon or ya noon. So how there is a technique also for converting the masculine sigha to the feminine forms. Okay. So let's take a noun Muslim. Like it's for male, of course. So how we convert this Muslim to the female sigha is we add a gol ta, which is in Arabic. Okay, so we add the gol ta in the end of the word, in the end of the noun, and it becomes Muslimah. So Muslim, here it goes, and Muslimah. Okay, so same goes for mu'min. It becomes like we add the gol ta and it becomes mu'minah. Okay, salih, and it becomes saliha. Okay, so anyone wants to revise this one, this table?
Yes.
Jannat, I think this is Miss Jannat, or JNNAT. Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Sister, go ahead, please.
Muslim, Muslimatun, Mu'min, Mu'minatu, Salih, Salihatu.
Perfect, mashallah. Next slide is, okay, we add the pronouns with the nouns and we do it for both male sigha and female, masculine and the feminine forms. Okay, so huwa Muslim, he is a Muslim guy. Okay, hiya Muslimah, this she is a Muslim female. Okay, huwa mu'min, hiya mu'minah, huwa salih, hiya salihah. So any one of you wants to volunteer for this one? Here represents she, and Muslimah, of course, is feminine sigha for Muslim female. Okay, so anyone wants to okay, I will check.
Yes.
This is okay, just this one. I want this person, Mr. Brother Abdul Rahman from Nigeria. Yeah,
هو
please revise.
مسلم
Yeah,
هو مسلم
yeah,
هي مسلمة هو مؤمن هي مؤمنة
yeah.
هو صالح هي صالحة.
Mashallah, jazakallah, brother. We
Amin
move
wa
on to
iyyakum.
we will move on to the next slide. Okay, we take some examples of male and female sighas. Okay, we usually say for the sahabas, male sahabas, anhu. Okay, so let's take an example of Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu. So may Allah be pleased with him. Who for him. Okay, and same goes for female. If we do it for female, so we take a name like Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha. Anha. So ha is for that female. Okay, may Allah be pleased with that female. So anyone wants you to revise this one, this slide?
Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu.
Muhammad, yeah. So Mr. Brother Muhammad Safir Mughal, will you be able to revise this one? So the mics are unmuted.
Can I revise?
Okay, go ahead, sister.
Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, Aishatu radiyallahu anha.
Perfect, mashallah.
Anhu
Okay.
refers to male, while anha refers to female.
Female, yeah. Anha refers to female. Okay, let's do a quick practice for the female sighas. Okay, so Rabbuha, her Rabb. Okay, Dinuha, her deen, her religion. Okay, Kitabuha, her book. So I want any one of you to revise this. Sister Memunat, you can give chance to other people also. I think there is anyone of.
Okay.
There are other people. Okay, go. I think this. Okay. Can this the second person? Okay, revise it. Go ahead.
Rabbuha, her Lord.
Okay.
Her religion. Kitabuha, her book.
MashaAllah, Jazakallah, sister. Now you mute yourself, please, Sister Memunat. I request you. Mute yourself, please. Thank you. Shukran. Shukran, Habibti. Next slide is masculine to feminine forms. Okay. So how we convert his to her? Okay. We have just seen in the previous slide. Now we will do for the masculine and the feminine both. So Rabbuhu, his Rabb, Rabbuha, her Rabb. Dinuhu, his deen or his religion, and Dinuha, her religion. Okay. Kitabuhu, his book, and Kitabuha, her book. So I will choose who will revise this. Okay, this Miss Sister Aisha Tawfiq, please go ahead with this side. Sister Aisha.
Rabbuhu.
Yes.
Rabbuha.
Ji.
Dinuhu. Dinuha. Kitabuhu. Kitabuha.
Perfect. Mashallah, Jazakallah. Let's go to the dialogue section. Okay, we'll do a quick dialogue section for the same words we have just read now. Okay, Man Rabbuha. Man Rabbuha. Who would like to answer this question? Okay, Mr. Rashid, Brother Rashid. Brother Rashid. He's gone. Okay. Okay. brother. Okay, sister Maimunat again. Okay, go ahead. Man Rabbuha. Sister Maimunat. Man
ربها الله
Rabbuha.
ربها الله
Rabbuha Allah. Okay,
ربها
you
الله
get the question? You get the question? Who is the
Yes.
Lord of that woman? Okay, so you answered me. Her Lord is Allah. Okay. Ma dinuha.
Yes, the Lord is دينها
Ma dinuha.
الإسلام
Dinuha al-Islam. So her deen is Islam. Her religion is Islam. Ma kitabuha. Ma kitabuha. Please be faster, sister. We are short of time actually. Yeah. Ma kitabuha. Okay, next slide. Okay, next slide is Muslima. How we made the singular female into plural female. We just add alif ta. Okay, Muslimah, Muslimat, Mu'minah, Mu'minat, Salihah, Salihat. Okay, so we go fast. Next slide. Next slide is okay. Rabbuhum, dinuhum. This okay. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Allahumma faqihna fid deen. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum fi aman Allah.